So today we're going to make some chicken bacon ranch quesadillas. And so to start out, I've got me about 6 chicken breasts that I'm going to put in my 12-inch Dutch oven. And we're going to start to boil that down and let those get cooked real good so we can shred our chicken up for our chicken bacon ranch quesadillas. So you guys hold on, we'll get this going and we'll show you what she looks like here in a little while. There you have it. There's a chicken, bacon, and ranch quesadilla with grill marks on it. So we're going to go ahead and pull this other one so it doesn't burn. And we'll be back here shortly and we're going to do a taste test on that. So give me just a minute and we'll get set up here. Okay, well, we've got our chicken, bacon, and ranch quesadilla. Boy, look at that. Isn't that good? That looks really good. Let's try this out for size. Wow. That is really good. That Rotel gives it a good flavor. And of course the two different kind of cheeses, man. You got mozzarella and cheddar. You got your shredded chicken. This finger looking good, man. Oh man. And of course we have our bacon bits. We took and fried those up real small. And like I said, we got the chicken and the Rotel. We just took and heated up our Lodge reversible griddle on the grill side. Kind of brushed it down with a little bit of bacon grease so the tortillas wouldn't stick to it while we were cooking those. Laid our tortillas on there. Man, just spread out a little bit of cheese all the way around that. Added our chicken and Rotel mix. Put that in there, a little bit of bacon. Squeezed on a little bit of ranch dressing. Added our topping, which was cheddar cheese, and then put our other tortilla on top. Begin to let that cook down and get hot, and grill marks on the tortillas. Flip that over a couple, 2 or 3 times to get it to the doneness that we like. And man, that's just the way it ended up right there. I mean, you can't beat that. You can't go wrong with that. You know, it's a real simple meal, real simple dinner. You can make those real quick. You don't have to have a griddle. You can do it in a cast iron skillet. You can do it in any kind of skillet, I guess. You could do it out on a grill outside. You could do it on a Blackstone or however you choose. But anyway, this is our version of chicken, bacon, and ranch. Hey, we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. If you had never subscribed to our channel, we'd ask that you do so. Hit that subscribe button, and that way you'll be notified of all of our new upcoming content that we're putting out. So you guys have a great day. We'll see you later. I'm going to eat some more of this. Wow. That's good.